Hey guys, Tim and Shauna from Punk Rope, and yes, it is almost 4th of July, Independence Day, but that's not the only reason that Shauna's got those miniature American flags. The real reason, they are authentic, is today's video covers the double side swing. So if you're familiar with the single side swing, it looks a little bit like a side-lying figure 8 if we're just focusing on the hands. So I'm going to zoom in a little bit. You can see Shauna's hands are pretty close together. And what happens is as one hand comes forward, the other one goes back. So it's a little bit of a dance of pronation, supination. So pronation is when you turn the wrist over or down, palm down, and supination is the opposite, palm up. Okay. Now, our buddy Steve Smith in Richmond was watching a video, yo Steve, of someone doing a double side swing, and he's like, that's pretty cool, how do you do that? So that's the purpose of this video. Double side swing is going to be 2 rotations on each side of the body and then a transition to the other side. Now you'll notice Shauna's keeping her hands a good, say, 4 to 6 inches apart. It's a little hard to do this very slowly. She is keeping her elbows bent pretty tight to her body. It would not work if she straightened her arms. That'll get very sloppy very quickly and almost impossible to control, and you'll see the rope will tangle. So we do need those arms to stay in tight, elbows bent. The hips need to be free. There's a little bit of a swaying motion. It doesn't have to be super exaggerated, but there is a little bit of a sway. Now we're getting kind of dancey. And so one way to think about this is as the hands go to one side, one hand is facing back, right, towards the wall. One hand is facing forward. They're both rotating in a circle, and then we go to the other side. So another way to think of this, if we go back to the American flags, is imagine you were drumming. This is one of the best analogies we could come up with. So as you're doing that double side swing, you're actually striking the drum, boom, boom, switch, boom, boom, switch, boom, boom, switch, boom, boom. But there's a circular motion that is part of it. I know now it looks like we're doing flag semaphore and NASCAR and all kinds of things. But seriously, sometimes it helps just to pick up a smaller implement. That could just be handles of a rope, could be mini American flags, could be chopsticks, could be drumsticks. But start with that because it's a lot easier to control. And then from that point go to your full rope, and we'll do that now and see if you can mimic Shauna. And once again I'm going to close in. She's going to go regular speed. So there is that little crossover when she transitions from left to right and right to left. But once the rope is to her side, it's very much a striking and circular motion with the hands facing each other. Okay? So we hope that helps. No, it's not the easiest concept to convey. Now, why would you use this move? God only knows. No, actually, it's really great coordination and a good way to develop more control of your rope. Quickness, and as with the regular side swing, you could transition from a double side swing into a jump, but usually we'll go double, 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 double. And there you have it, guys, the double side swing. Thanks for joining us, and we'll see you next time.